Word tries its best to recognize when you've reached the end of a sentence, and then it helpfully capitalizes the first letter in what it thinks is a new sentence. What if you use punctuation marks that don't signal the end of a sentence? Well, in that case, you have a couple of options that you can try. I was talking with a WordTips subscriber the other day, and his business name ends with an exclamation point. As he is composing his documents, Word assumes the exclamation point ends a sentence and then automatically capitalizes the word following his business name. He wonders how he could make Word realize that his business name, with an exclamation point, is not always the end of a sentence. There are a couple of ways to handle a situation such as this. One approach is to simply undo the change that is automatically made by Word. To do this, immediately after Word capitalizes the word when it shouldn't, just press Ctrl-Z. The capitalization is undone, and you can continue typing. This approach is helpful if you want Word to capitalize most of the words that come after a punctuation mark. Another approach is to simply turn off the autocorrect feature that capitalizes the first letter of a new sentence. To do this, go ahead and select the File tab of the ribbon and then choose Options. This displays the Word Options dialog box. At the left side of the dialog box, click on Proofing and then click the Autocorrect Options button. Word displays the Autocorrect tab of the Autocorrect dialog box. Now, the setting here that you want to pay attention to is this one. It says Capitalize First Letter of Sentences. If this checkbox is selected like you see on the screen, then Word capitalizes what it thinks is the first letter of any new sentence. If you don't want that to occur, then go ahead and clear the checkbox, click on OK, and then click on OK again to get rid of the Word Options dialog box. Now, whenever you type a sentence and Word thinks that it is a new sentence that you're starting, it still won't capitalize that first letter. It leaves it lowercase. In many instances, this is great. The only thing you have to remember is that when you want to start a new sentence, you can't rely on Word to do your capitalization. You'll need to capitalize it manually. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for the free WordTips newsletter. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.